It should be reading 14.6 volts, and look at how it jumps around. And I also hear this funny noise in it. When I hear the noise is when the numbers dip down. See how it's gradually lowering the voltage as it's running. Right now it'll go to 13. I see it drop as far down to 7, 9, and 13. And I just started it up, so the engine's not even warmed up yet. That's why it's not locked down. Video this for 5 minutes, that way we can see what the voltage is just for a 5-minute ride. And now it's not even going back up to 14. Now it's going to 12. So the longer it stays running, the lower the voltage gets on the alternator. Now it's going to 12 volts. pass button, which is about straight to them, there's 9. So yeah, I'm gonna say it's a bad alternator. There's 9 volts. So yeah, the further you drive with it, the more energy it's using out of your battery, and your alternator can't produce enough voltage to keep it charged. So we're going to take 8 minutes and we'll stop there. It's struggling right now. See that OL? That means something shorted out in the alternator already. I thought I saw that earlier. Yep, there's another OL. Okay, that's all we're going to do for today. I think my battery's dying, so that'll be it.